ang BFP talaga ang pinagandaan dito ng kupunan ng PNP. Non-stop daw yung kanilang ensayo, no, going into this ball game kasi medyo natakot.
Hospilio inangat. There's Adolfo with her first point. Oliveros. Adolfo inangat. Hospilio to Diaz. Pangcola with a first touch. Inangat ni Abellana. Longest rally so far. And Adolfo scores her second point of the game.
Adolfo ending that rally against the PNP. Bring that ball close to the...
Ang hinahabol dito ng Lady Patrollers. So they've scored 3 straight points. Abellana pinasa kay Bentic with an off-speed hit. Gomez picks it up. Ronquillo off the block and it's a 4-point run para sa Lady Patrollers.
Although the blockers there of the BFP was ever ready to receive that ball, pero it still went on the side of the BFP.
Gomez, another good pass. This time, Tukas! Blocked by Mamangun. Kagulo ang bench ng Lady Firefighters after this solid block.
Double block there by also against the AFP, no? Tama doon yung mental toughness at mas naging hyper daw yung kanyang team. At makikita mo naman, hyper na hyper sila.
Yep.
Starting off with this first set. Ngayon, no, mas naangat pa nila yung lamang. They're up by 8 points here. Of course, with that attack.
Hospilio, another strong serve. And this one a better pass. Gomez. Oh, great dive by Magpantay to keep it alive. Abellana. Pangcola ang naka-first touch. Limsiaco sets it. Padilla. Magpantay, good coverage again mula sa likod. Adolfo with the tip. Gomez inangat. Oliveros. Abellana. Adolfo. And that will do it. Tumama sa antena yung bola. And that stops the run ng Lady Firefighter. Mamangun. Through the block. Paginado. Tinawid ang bola. Hospilio. Abellana magsiset. Praferosa papalo. And Kia Gomez with the receive. Ronquillo got it.
That's a nice cross-court attack coming from Ronquillo with a little help from the net also targeting zone 5.
Service error para kay Sumalinog pero Bentic with a push. Turned away by Paginado. Back row Praferosa. Isa na lang kailangan putos ng Lady Firefighters. Ito, Sumalinog sets it up. Bentic for the winning point. Kapos. One set point given up by the Lady Firefighters.
The service line.
Mamangun inangat. Back row Fanny Adolfo. And Adolfo connects and wins. And that's gonna be double contact. Kontra sa service fault ni Tin Bangcola. Ito yung serve ni Hospilio. Nagpahirap to sa Lady Patrollers kanina. Pagpantay with a bad pass. Chance ball para sa Lady Patrollers. Combination play. Ronquillo blocked by Abellana pero lumusot ang bola. This is a 3-0 run para sa Lady Patrollers. They lead 5-2.
Good decision by Ronky right there. It touched the hand there of the palikod. Kaya nabutasan, bumalik yung bola sa BFP.
Adolfo, cross court. Sabi niya, tama na. Stops the 3-point run ng Lady Patrollers. Adolfo with 7. And she's done everything. 5 attack. Short pass. Bangcola to Ronquillo. Lumusot sa double block. Bentic with a dig. Pero too close to the net. Hindi na nahabol ni Diaz. Another good serve. Short pass. Underhand na lang yung set ni Bangcola. Ronquillo, easy over. Mamangun tips it over. And that's the 4th straight point para sa Lady Firefighters to tie the game. Natatawa na lang doon si Coach Bautista. Sabi niya, ano nangyari?
Oo nga, kasi even though Mamangon was not facing directly dun sa kanilang sa PNP side, no?
Tukas is blocked and we're tied. The run is complete. 19 on set number 2.
Nobody was ready to receive that ball, no? Coming from the blockers of the BFP. Hindi naging ready si Team Bangkola that time.
19 all. The serve by Mamangon. Gomez outside. Serving. Bentik, wala pa ring ace. Gomez. Osmilio. Pani Adolfo. Padilla inangat. Gonna be a chance ball. Diaz. Adolfo again. Ronquillo with a dig. 1-2 play para kay Oliveros. Osmilio. Diaz. Block. Adolfo with a push. Pinasa ni Limsiaco. Here comes Gomez again. And Gomez tips it in. Good serve by Bentik. And a 3-0 start. Good pass by Ronquillo. Pagkakataon ng matake. Kia Gomez popped up by Magpantay. Diaz. Ronquillo again. Uulit si Gomez and Magpantay with another great dig. Osmilio to Fanny Adolfo, and that's on the line.
Let's take a look at that last play.
4-0 start. Pinatid kay Gomez. Two-handed push para kay Gomez. Osmilio. Adolfo got it again. Back-to-back points para kay Fanny Adolfo. May 14. Gomez with 7 points already. Chance ball. Pangkola to Ronquillo. Yes! Back-to-back points para sa Lady Patrollers.
BFP wants to win this game, no? They have to protect the lead right now. Ayaw nilang makadikit dito ang PNP, or ayaw nila na sila naman yung mag-ahabol dito against the PNP.
Osmilio to Mamangon. Yes! Revy Salas with the low pass. Osmilio. O sumalinog. Bagong pasok lang. Inangat ni Ronquillo. Abellana pops it up. Osmilio. Ito si Adolfo. Gomez blocked by Adolfo. It's back to a 6-point lead para sa Lady Firefighters.
Good job there. The two blockers of the BFP, Osmilio and Adolfo was there.
By Adolfo, longest rally of the set. Sumalinog. Pinasa ni Oliveros. Kia Gomez. Abellana with a great dig. Back row, Diaz. Overpass. Revy Salas. And that tip is right in the back row. Tinapos na ni Tin Bangkola, finding that opening sa depensa. The trials, pinagdaanan niya to become a parent. Diaz off the block. What a dig there on a save by Gomez, and the tip by Oliveros. Make it a 3-point game.
Little by little, umahabol dito ang kupunan ng PNP because of the errors here of the BFP. They're just down by 3 points here.
Good serve again. Gomez, cross court, got it. Bangkola passes. There's a hit by Hazel Magpantay, who's in the game for the first time. And there's another point. Tuloy-tuloy ang pag-arangkada ng PNP, and they take the lead. 20 serving 18, 2-point lead para sa Lady Patrollers. Osmilio to Mamangon. Hinangat ni Ronquillo. Ronquillo, blocked by Mamangon. Served by Ronquillo. Bentik. Little off-speed touch para kay Bentik, just coming off the bench to tie the game at 21. Bentik now with 7.
In fact, it was not a direct hit coming from Bentik, no? May konting angle pa, very slow pa yung ball.
Short pass, an easy over pagkakataon umatake for the Lady Firefighters. Adolfo with a push, Bangkola Inangat ni Atucas. Another easy over. Bentic, a wild pass. That could have been outside. Oliveros papalo. Inangat ni Abellana. Diaz at the net. Oh, nobody there!
Nobody was in position for the BFP, no? Ang ganda na sana ng save nila dun sa bola nila kanina, pero hindi lang nakabalik in position yung players doon.
So, set point is saved. Pangkola. Gomez is blocked! Diaz with a kill block! It falls in! And the Lady Firefighters win extended set number 3. Panoorin rin natin kung saan bumagsak yan. Oh, it's clearly in. It's not even on the line. 11 serving 8. Another short pass. Gomez. Cut shot for the side out. Diaz. Oliveros. Inangat ni Kainglet. Easy over mula kay Diaz. Chance to attack. Hazel magpantay. Inangat ni Maya Noel magpantay. Adolfo. Ronquillo pops it up. Gomez. Bentic with a dig. The pass by Kainglet. Oliveros with the left hand. Inangat ni Adolfo. And nagkalituhan doon si Bentic at si Maya Noel magpantay. Slow getting up but she's okay. Pangkola serving very well. Adolfo. Chance ball para sa Lady Firefighters. Let's see if they can get a side out dito. There it is. Fanny Adolfo finally.
The gaps into the holes here.
2-point run para sa Lady Firefighters. Gomez. Blocked. Kainglet. And another point para kay Fanny Adolfo. It's a 3-point run. Pangkola. And Ronquillo is blocked. Tip by Bentic. Overpass by Hazel magpantay kay Inglet. Tumamangon. Yes! And again, no more timeouts dito para kay Coach Rod Pinalba. Kaya they will have to play on and play through kung ano man ang pinagdadaanan nila dito. They're back down by 8. Lady Firefighters 2 points away. Para sa Lady Patrollers. Gomez. Block. Wow. Even on a chance ball, hindi makapuntos dito ang Lady Patrollers. And it is 8 match points para sa Lady Firefighters in set number 4.
Sila in a championship beating this two veteran teams already, no? Una sa AFP ngayon, if possible, the PNP naman.
And it is possible! Fanny Adolfo with 24 points! And the Lady Firefighters erasing any doubt that they are a weak team dito sa Season 2. They've beaten the top 2 teams 2 consecutive game days. A 3-set win against the AFP and a 4-set win against the league-leading PNP Lady Patrollers.
And now the PFP will climb up in our team standing.